AI technology transforms welding. Smart manufacturing defines the future. Kenner Technology, with 20 years of profound expertise in AI welding robotics, takes technological innovation as its blade to break through the efficiency boundaries of industrial welding. Our self-developed full range of AI welding robot workstations come standard with a globally leading 3D vision AI welding system. Core technologies drive in-depth cost reduction and efficiency improvement via precise point line surface segmentation, automatic contour recognition, and AI-powered fast weld seam extraction. No pre-imported programs are needed. The AI algorithm continuously iterates and upgrades based on real-time welding data, seamlessly adapting to complex welding scenarios, tripling welding efficiency. This is the 8-axis cantilever AI welding robot workstation. This is the 9-axis cantilever AI welding robot workstation. This is the 8-axis gantry dual AI welding robot workstation. This is the 9-axis gantry dual AI welding robot workstation. This is the rail-mounted AI welding robot workstation. Now, let me show you around our factory. Workshop 1 is mainly responsible for customer reception, trainee training, and product display. Our product range covers the rail-mounted series, cantilever series, and gantry series. Workshop 2 handles everything from R&D and testing to sample welding, turning our customers' ideas into tangible results. Workshop 3 focuses on equipment assembly, commissioning, after-sales service, and packaging and logistics. Now, let me take you to visit our customer factories. Check out the 25 fillet welds completed at our Spanish customer's site. This multi-pass wraparound welding boasts breathtakingly flawless bead aesthetics. European clients demand uncompromising welding quality, and such silky smooth, refined weld seams are a testament to their relentless pursuit of excellence in every process. From high-precision laser-cut components to meticulous post-weld finishing, every step lays a solid foundation for perfection. Our AI welding system takes complexity out of multi-pass wraparound welding. With automatic component recognition, AI modeling, and programming-free technology, it delivers efficient, consistent, and replicable results at the touch of a button.